Welcome in, welcome in. Since the Cilantros came out, I swapped a lot of my boards away from MX Blacks, and honestly, I forgot about this Ladybird. I only ever posted first impressions back then, and typing on it again, god damn, Cherry's where it's at. This is why all roads lead back to Cherry. Let's hear it, and then I'll stack it up against my Cloudnine. Welcome back. This Ladybird is running Cherry MX2A Blacks. Lubed, filmed, spring swapped, and paired with a Cilantro spacebar on top mount alley plate. I've been dealing it for a few days and it's been slapping. That got me thinking about my OG Cloudnine, which I had swapped months ago for a Cilantro PP and CRP Blanks build. I love that build so much I never changed it, but after the Ladybird session I swapped in my MX Blacks build, and both are excellent. At the end of the day, all roads lead back to Cherry.